Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse. I am here with day 2 of Stitchmas for Christmas. This is the awesome Advent calendar. You already see day 2 right here. Exciting. So I'm going to unveil day 2. On the second day of crafting, my true love gave to me. Giggles. That's what it gave to me. Let's see what stitching day 2 has in stored. Uh-oh. I love the paper. This is so much fun. Alrighty, crafters. Another set of fabulous dies. Yay. Hold on. Oh, look at. There's a hint. Oh, I love this. That there's an example right here. I didn't notice that the first time. Day 1 was the tree. Now look at this one. So there you go. You'll get an example of it. So that's your packaging. Keep the box. The box is fabulous anyway. So let's take a closer look. Okay, crafters. Do you know what I see here? Endless possibilities with this die set because it has the candles with or without stitching. There are pieces here that can be used alone, like so. You can just make the candle solid. Put the drop in, die cut these two together, then you get that stitching element. The flame, that can just be solid. You can also put this piece in, cut it together, and then do the stitching. Love that. And then you also get this awesome background. So day 2, yay, love it, love it, love it, love it. Isn't this a lovely die set? All right, moving on. Here are my examples for day 1 with the Christmas tree. Day 2 with this beautiful candle set. Love this. These are just so much fun. Did I turn them into ornaments? No, but you can. So what I did, I turned this one into a card and this one into a cute tag featuring one of my favorite tags. Of course, it's on sale right now in the fall warehouse sale. Create a decorative tag die set. I did not use the additional drop-ins, but let's go back to day 1 first. Wouldn't that make more sense? Ooh, I'm all over the place today, crafters. So I stitched up the Christmas tree. I have them all in these little baggies. I saw an example by Jennifer McGuire. I think she stitched on the outside here. There is a series of step-by-step videos by various makers on the Spellbinders YouTube channel. If you want to go day by day to get inspiration and in-depth views of how to stitch and do all the goodies from various makers, definitely check those videos out on the Spellbinders YouTube channel. And with this one, I use this die set. This goes on sale a lot. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this is a super steal right now with the fall warehouse sale. Heartfelt thanks vignette. So what is nice about this die set is you can go all the way in with all the layers coming down to heartfelt thanks. Put on this little decorative piece or not. I chose not. I did this like an ornate frame with the layers because these layers is what gives you those breaks and those matching layers. I love this card. In the background of my day 1, Vintage Ornaments 3D embossing folder. Love, love, love. 5.5 inch wide, 8.5 inch tall. This would use the universal plate system. Love her. So it's here with mahogany cardstock, alabaster cardstock, velvet rose cardstock, dahlia cardstock, brush gold. This is a lot of Spellbinders cardstock. A lot of the cardstock right now are on sale too. So you can get a great deal on their cardstock. Yay! Love that. And then here is brush gold at the top and the bottom. And I just love this embossing folder. So pretty. Vintage ornaments. And this goes so well with vintage ornaments. I think this kind of looks almost like a princess frame. So if you are in need of something like this, consider this set, Heartfelt Thanks. It's great for that type of look. I could see this in a scrapbook layout, have the photo here. So you would get that die to cut that photo piece to then layer up if you have your little princess party, Barbie. So that's card number 1. Stitched together really easy. These are just straight lines. So love that. And then this star. I think when I showed you this, I got so excited. When I opened up the box, you know where I found the star? On the floor here. A few days later. That was a miracle, actually, because this is a very small die. I looked down and I'm like, what's that? And immediately I knew that's the star for the Christmas tree. If I didn't show it to you when I did the close-up, that's what that is, okay? It flew away. Too excited. So that's day 1. Day 2 with this beautiful candle set, which I so loved the additions to it. And I love that it's small enough. So put together 2.5 inch by roughly 1.5. This one put together from top to bottom, 3.5, a little bit over 2.25, 2 3/8 of an inch, okay? So these are not only perfect to make ornaments, these are also great for tags, to use on a card, anything, even if you're making little note cards. Let's say you're making little note cards, the kind that you can put like a post-it in for everybody at work. This would be great to decorate it. So this was another one, easy to stitch. Straight lines and then the little center. I put some gems here. Then the sentiment, Snow Garden Sentiments hot foil plate. I love this sentiment set. It's just so classic, traditional, and I think it works well with my favorite hot foil roll, satin metallics. The cardstock is on sale. Hot foil rolls are on sale. This won't be on sale because this is a brand new item, but boy, this is a fantastic set. Very easy to work with. Comes with these coordinating dies. Then here, this is the Vivant. There is Vivant ribbon, cord, twine. This is from this set, which I bought. But this is so pretty. I don't want to use it. I think this is just so great, like this bundled up. Look how much you get. So this is a great deal. I still have remnants from the sample pack I got from Spellbinders. So I just pull it through here. This is that beautiful green, which is called... I can't see. My sinuses are killing me. I'll put the name here on the screen of what color green this is and what color pink this is. There is also red and navy and then a whole bunch of other trims. So love this, but this is just so pretty by itself like this. I don't want to open it. Yeah. Alrighty, crafters. Until the next video. I think I'm going to do 3, 4, and 5 together because everybody else has done this, spoiler alert, all the way up to 12. So I'll just do a couple days together. So until the next video, everything will be detailed and linked below. Stay crafty, my friends. 12 days of Stitchmas Advent Calendar. 2 thumbs up. Fantastic for Christmas. Use this every year. Bye.